Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine and you are stay safe. Okay, and you are at home. Okay, and you are eating the very healthy food at home. Okay. Welcome to Gotham Model School, children. And today we are our topic is food for us. Let us start. Okay. Solve these fruity riddles. I am yellow. I am sweet. I am what the monkeys like to eat. What the monkeys likes to eat, children? Yes, which is yellow in color. Yes, that is banana. So we have to write there banana. B A N A N A, banana. And you know banana is very healthy fruit. In the morning you have to eat in the banana. Okay, don't eat at night. Okay, children? Yes. Next one is I am juicy, I am sweet. People eat me to escape from the summer heat. Here the escape means escape means to relieve from the summer. Okay, in the summer what we eat a lot, beta, it is green in color and it is very fat like thing. Okay, and it has consists of water and it is you can see this in the picture, right? This one. Yes, what is that, beta? Oh, that is watermelon. That is WATERMELON. Watermelon. That is watermelon. Okay, and it is very tasty, you know, and it is red in color outside and it is green in color outside. Inside it is red in color. It is consists of very nutrients. Okay, we have food when we are hungry. Food makes us what? Grow. When we are hungry, we will say, Mom, please, Mom, give me the food. I am hungry. Like that. So what the mom gives you? The food, and that is very healthy. And the food makes us to grow. The food makes us to strong and healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play. If you won't eat food, you will not get energy, children. So you have to eat very healthy so that you can get energy to work and play. What type of work? To listen to online classes, to help to your mother. These are all the things you can do at the home. And playing inside only, or you can play outside also, but very least you have to go outside. Okay, and food help to fight diseases. Now the disease which are spreading is very dangerous. So to help the diseases, food helps and they can improve our immunity. See, this is the family picture, right? How they are enjoying, how they are eating the food, how they are sharing. So I hope you are also doing the same in the home also. Okay. So, okay, children, now next is different kinds of food. Okay. So, different kinds of food helps us in different ways. Okay, there are 3 types of food. What are they? You can see in this pics. First one is body building food. Okay, children. So what is this, children? This is milk. What is this, children? Eggs. What is this, children? Pulses. What is this? Yeah, this baby is grown into a girl and that girl is now big. So the bodybuilding food, they are helps us to grow. So what are the bodybuilding food? You can see here the milk, the eggs, the fish, the meat and the pulses which helps us to grow. They make our bones and strong muscles strong, very strong they build. Okay, if we eat all these food, we can grow and it makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay. Now next one is energy giving food. Okay, children, what is this, children? Rice. What is this, children? This is cheese. What is this, children? This is sugar. That is also called as, comes from the jaggery. See this one, jaggery. Okay. Okay. Next, energy giving food like sugar, butter, rice, jaggery. They gives us what children? They gives us energy. Energy. We use this energy to work and play. See, this boy and girl, they are playing what? Badminton, right? Yes. So they are playing because they have energy. That's the reason they are playing. So if you eat also very energy giving food, you also play. Okay. Next one is protective food. What are these, children? This one is apple. This one is pineapple. This one is capsicum. This one is eggplant, means brinjal, and this one is banana. What the monkeys like to eat, right? So fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. They prevent us from falling sick. So falling sick means if you have fever, if you have cough, you have cold, these are all diseases beta. You should not fall sick now, okay? So you have to eat very healthy fruits and vegetables, okay? Next, so these prevent us from the falling sick. Okay, we need to eat some of these food items every day. Every day you have to eat, children. Okay, so they are tasty also and they are very healthy also, and they boost our immunity. Boosting means to improve the immunity. Okay, so this one is raw and cooked food. Do you know, children, what are raw food? Like you can say peas, cucumber, radish, beetroot, carrot. These are all raw, which we can eat very raw. Like after washing only you have to eat, but we can eat raw also. Fruits and few vegetables such as peas, cucumber, radish, beetroot and carrot can be eaten raw. Meat, eggs, dal, rice are the most vegetables are cooked. So meat compulsory we have to cooked, and that cooked properly. Okay, eggs are very rich in proteins. Okay, so that also we have to eat. Even the dal, pulses, all they are very rich in protein. So we have to eat. Okay. We have 3 meals in a day. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. So how many meals are there in our day? There are 3 meals. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay. Now, what we have to do? Healthy eating habits. Okay. Wash your hands and mouth before and after every meal. Have your meals at a fixed time every day. Never skip your breakfast. Eat a balanced diet. Junk food is not good for health. Eat only fresh and clean food. Never waste the food. Take only as much you can eat. Drink water, boiled or filter it before drinking. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Brushing helps to clean the bits of food stuck between our teeth. Okay, so these are all the things. See, we have to, these all the eating habits we have to apply in our daily lives. Otherwise, see, we have to eat very balanced diet, very fresh and clean food only we have to eat. Otherwise, we can fall sick. Okay, sometimes what has happened, when we are not brushing our teeth, some food are stuck into our between the teeth. Okay, so that brushing removes that. Okay, so you have to brush twice a day, once in the morning, once before going to bed. Okay, children, so this is our class, and I want you to do the page number, this one. See, this is the tick. The answer is there. Yes, tick the answer. This helps us to fight disease. Toy, book or food? Yes, that is food. These are protective food. Milk and dal, sugar and butter, peas and apple. So protective, which can protects us from? So that is peas and apple, because that is fruits and vegetables. Okay, this we eat this apple raw. Cucumber, brinjal or potato? Which one we can eat raw? Cucumber, brinjal or potato? Yes, cucumber. So that is the correct point. Okay, so I want you to match the column of complete sentences and please send into the WhatsApp group. Okay, children? Thank you so much, children. I hope you have learnt a lot of things, right? Thank you so much.
Rohan, why are you not eating your dinner? I want to eat a fish. But Mom has given me chapati and mixed vegetables to eat.
Rohan, but you had fish in lunch and you want it again.
Yes, sister, I like fish. But why can't I have it for dinner again? Is it not good for health?
No, Rohan, fish is good for health, but it cannot provide all that your body needs.
Why is that so, sister?
Look, Rohan, we eat not only for taste, but for many different purposes. Food gives us energy to work.
And also to play.
Right, Rohan? Food also helps to grow. It keeps us healthy and keeps sickness away.
This means my favorite food item fish alone cannot help me to work, grow, and avoid sickness.
Yes, Rohan, you are an intelligent boy. We need to eat different kinds of food. You should not always eat what you like.
Okay.
Rohan, do you know different food items contain different nutrients that enable us to grow, work, and fight sickness?
Oh, really?
Your favorite food fish contains nutrients called proteins. Proteins enable our body to grow.
Is that so? What other food items contain proteins?
Come with me. I will show them to you. Rohan, open the fridge.
Okay, sister.
See, here you have milk, eggs and meat. All these contain proteins. Also, pulses, beans, peas and grams contain proteins.
Oh, that is why Mom wants me to drink milk every day.
Do you know, Rohan, when a person gets injured, proteins help in repairing the wounds.
Now I will never say no to Mom for drinking milk.
Now, let me tell you about other nutrients. Look here. We have bread and banana. These food items contain carbohydrates.
What other food items contain carbohydrates?
Food items like chapati, rice, sugar and potatoes also contain carbohydrates.
I like bananas so much.
Rohan, carbohydrates give us instant energy to do our work.
Wow!
Rohan, our body needs energy because it works all the time, even when you are asleep.
Okay, sister. Now I will eat carbohydrates in plenty.
Good. Rohan, can you please pass me an apple?
Catch it, sister.
Do you know, Rohan? Fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, fish, eggs, meat and nuts are rich in vitamins. Our body needs vitamins and minerals to remain healthy.
Oh, really? This is why you like eating fresh fruits and vegetables so much.
Yes, Rohan. But do you know, Mom does not cook some fruits and vegetables such as cucumber, tomato, carrot and radish. This is because cooking destroys some minerals and vitamins.
Sister, now I will eat different food items to ensure that I have carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals in my diet.
Good, Rohan. You know such diet is called balanced diet.
Sister, I'm feeling hungry. Come on, let us have dinner.